What am I supposed to say now? What am I supposed to say?
Yo, go on Facebook and clear up my name, B.
And say what?
Clear up my name, tell them say do the thing out of anger and the screenshot them fake.
If I do it, you gonna marry me?
What?
If I do it, are you gonna marry me if you're not married?
Can't talk about that.
Well, then you gotta offer something, because I ain't doing nothing and I'm not getting nothing.
Yo, me and your talk Thursday.
I don't want dick. Anybody can get your dick.
Talk, me and chat Thursday, come down there.
Yeah, anyone can talk, anyone can get dick. I want something else.
Yeah, we talk, come down there.
No, I don't want to wait. Well, then, alright. So then Thursday, I guess I'll write the paragraph then.
Sheena, write it tonight. Write it now.
What am I getting out of it?
No. Write it right now.
But then when you find out, then you can let me know.
Yo, stop. You always, every time I tell you to do the thing, you always come with some other thing. Know what? If you give you something for you clear up my name?
Yeah. I gave you my all, and I didn't get nothing.
Yo, you just do it right now. I'm not reach New York till Thursday. I have to work.
And lay up with wifey.
I have to work.
And lay up with wifey.
Stop chat about this wifey business.
It's wifey, cause you're all over her you're all over her Facebook. Wifey.
That we are talking about now.
You can't say nothing.
And that we are talking about now.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. You're a liar and a cheater.
Write the thing right now on Facebook.
I'll write it when I'm free.
Just write it now.
I'll write it when I'm free. You're about to go lay down with wifey. I'm gonna do it when I'm free. Unbelievable.
Every fucking body in the fucking world have your call. Let's spread the call. Everybody has say, yo, Alex a big batty man. Nothing like this never happened to me in my fucking life.
You sure never mistreated me. You caused this.
So the fuck you are gonna what? Every relationship we're going on.
Realize every relationship before every relationship before you, besides Mr. Man, I didn't expose. So what are you talking about? You know what you did.
So hold on.
You lied from day one.
Yo, every day, Sheena. Tell me if I'm lying, right? Every day, enough time I come on the phone and I say, Sheena, it's not you, it's me. It's now our call.
I'm not talking about you trying to find a way to leave me. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about every conversation we have, everything you say you're gonna do, not do, this and not the third, you lied about. You're a liar. And I don't feel sorry for you.
You find out something lie.
And cheat.
You find out something lie, I'm a cheat. Yeah.
And you think it's okay? You think, okay, I found out that you lie. I found out that you lie and cheat.
We go over the same thing. We are talking, you said the same thing over and over. Me say the same thing. Over and over. Me say it, you say it. Me say it, you say it.
Yeah, I find out, and then I'm supposed to write this paragraph just to clear up your name because what? I'm such a good person? No, I don't want to be a good person no more. Being good caused you to act the way you act and lie.
What?
Me being good to you caused you to treat me the way you treated me. I don't want to be good. I want to go back to my old ways. So if you gotta hurt and gotta deal with your reputation as that type of person, then sorry. I can't help
so
it.
So if I walk around for the rest of my life and people call me Batman.
I mean, my reputation that I fuck niggas ass, so.
You know the point like it upon me. Every fucking body. Everybody at Jamaica born me or that board if it dead. Everybody aboard if it dead.
I'll do it next week when I free up. I'm about to head out.
Sheena, we need to do the thing right now.
Listen, I don't think you're going back to Jamaica anytime soon, so what are you worrying about dying for?
Me not talk about every fucking body of the thing that they mouth as my body, man. You talk about some little yo, every fucking body have a thing that they mouth. A spread, man, woman, boy, girl. I said, girl, I fuck me.
My room is a hot mess. Getting tight.
Oh, God.
You need for just do write the thing I'm say for right. And clear up my name. Clear up my empire name and clear up my name.
You're so mean.
Sheena, we need for that. Hold it up on the phone and preach to you right now.
You ain't preaching.
It's not
Probably.
about your self-esteem and me.
It's all about me, because then it's going to flip to me that I'm a liar and nobody's going to trust me or believe me. And then you're going to end up going back to wifey and mistreat me. Or maybe you might actually leave me this time.
Sheena, this is bigger than if somebody say I liar.
What's up with the Wi-Fi?
I know you understand that.
Got the arcs, Shalom. Oh, wifey's home. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.
Yo, write the thing.
I'm not writing nothing.
Write the thing.
No.
Every fucking people come on my fucking yard. The chat. Yo.
People come to your house now. Now you just exaggerating.
Somebody come on my fucking door. Somebody come to me. They ask me what happened.
It was wifey. Wifey's checking up on you.
Every fucking body I make phone call.
Listen, I'll do what I gotta do just to clear my vampire name. But as for you, I'm not clearing up your name.
Yo,
I need you to suffer.
Stop. Sheena.
What?
You need to clear my name.
No, I need you to suffer.
Sheena, you need to clear my name.
No, I need you to suffer. I suffered enough.
To do this. Every fucking Sheena did it over the whole of the fucking place. Everybody.
They ain't all over the place. They ain't that bad. He didn't even hit the shade room.
I mean, everybody. Your sister just tells some people at school are feet. What you mean that?
No, she just said people from my school is following me. That's what she said.
Yo, listen, man. It's bad. Every fucking body. Every barbershop here, every hairdresser, every club, everybody.